These days are challenging days when we wake up in the morning. If you, frankly, I think, make the mistake of turning on the news immediately or look at your phone or the internet immediately, you'll be discouraged because there's so much chaos going on in our communities, and now especially war around the world. As I was sitting in my Doris chair this morning reading my daily devotions and journaling and just thinking, pondering what is it that God wants me to do in the midst of all of this, I came across Psalm 33:10, which seems so appropriate. The Lord brings the counsel of the nations to nothing. He frustrates the plans of the peoples. The counsel of the Lord stands forever. The plans of his heart to all generations. So we have been created in his image before we entered our mother's womb. We were created for a purpose. And regardless of what's going on in the world, we need to focus on what that purpose is. And in my experience now with over 40 years in the organizing and productivity industry, I find that the thing that prevents many people from focusing on that purpose is the clutter. Clutter defined as anything that prevents you from accomplishing your work and enjoying your life. It may be physical clutter. It may be the stuff you've inherited from relatives. Some you may not even know, but they've been passed through the generation, or things you've collected for your kids and your grandkids and they don't want it. Or maybe it's thousands of emails that you haven't read, or courses that you've bought that you plan to take, but you just never got around to it. And that's like a weight hanging over you that prevents you from doing what your purpose is. And like some of my clients, if you don't know what your purpose is, the best way to find out is to begin eliminating clutter. Everybody, including me, because clutter is something that keeps coming in. We constantly have to battle it. And if we're constantly letting go of what is clutter, our purpose will be revealed to us. Are you living your purpose? I hope so.